Hi, it's Brady from Easy Tracks, and in this video we're going to show you how to use the slow down functions within Easy Tracks. So let's get started. Let's start off with the iPhone. So here I have Thunderstruck pulled up, and if we listen to the original speed here, it's quite fast. So if I want to slow this down, I'm going to push the speed button right there, and plus and minus arrows. So if I want to go slower, let's go down to 75% speed. And press apply. See how much slower that is? So now I can practice along, okay, and then I can slowly increase the speed until I can play that song up to tempo. Okay. So very simple, just push the speed button, change the speed, press apply, boom, you're done. Let's show you how to do it on the computer now. Right. So here I have Dust in the Wind pulled up, and it's kind of fast. Let's take a listen to the original tempo. 1, 2, 3, go. See, it's deceptive. You think it's slow, and then we're playing a whole lot of notes there. So here on the computer, if you go to the bottom right here, it says change tempo of tracks. I'm going to push that button, and on the computer you have 3 different speeds. You have 65% speed, 85% speed, and normal speeds there. So let's go to 85% speed. And on the computer, it's going to reload those different stems. So on the phone, your phone has a brain. It can process things. That's why we can move down by percentage points. On the computer, we have to store all those different files. So we're going to give you those 3 speed options there. So now it's loaded, and I'm going to press play. And we'll see, yep, there it's slower. Let's take a listen. So now you can practice that tricky picking pattern a lot slower until you get comfortable, and then move it back up to speed. So on the phone, unlimited speed options. On the computer, you have 3 speed options. So that is it. That's how you use the speed functions within Easy Tracks. So slow stuff down, get practicing, increase that tempo until you can play it at the right speed. So get practicing.